Hey guys, and welcome back to WP Food Manager. In today's video, we are going to find out together how you can assign a food menu to your restaurant and display it on the front side. So guys, if you are interested, let's get started. So guys, first we need to make sure that we have created menus. So for that, we need to go to Food Manager section, and under it you will find menus. So we need to go to there. Okay, and here you can see that currently I have two menus created. First one is fast food and the second one is sweets. So now I'm going to assign my menus to one of my restaurants and to see how it will look on the front side. So firstly, I'm going to assign it from the back end of my website, and then I'm going to do it from the front side. Okay, first for that we need to go to the restaurant manager, and under it we have all restaurants section. Okay, and here we have various kinds of restaurants. I'm going to edit, for example, this first one. Let's click on edit button. Okay, and here at the top, we have restaurant data, under which we have menu. So here, to this restaurant only assigned fast food, I'm going to assign the sweets one, for example. Yeah, here it is. And I'm going to click on update. Okay, the menu is added. Now let's see what it will look on the front side. Okay, so this is my restaurant, and here is the menus, food menus. Here we have the sweets. So, for example, let's imagine that I want to know what, for example, sweets we have under this menu. For that, we need to click on this plus icon. Okay, and here this will show the sweets that we have currently in the restaurant. So this is how it will look on the front side. So this is how we need to assign it from the back end of our website. Now let's do it from the front side. So for that, we need to go to restaurant dashboard here, and let's edit one of the restaurants again. We need to click on this edit button. Okay. And here you can find the menus. Okay, here again, to this restaurant only assigned fast food menu. I'm going to assign the sweets one as well. Yeah, here is the option. Okay, it is assigned. Now let's click on Save Changes. Yes, and let's view how it will look. Okay, and sweet already, again, it is assigned. Let's click on Display icon. Okay, here you can see the sweets that are displayed on the page. So this is how you can do it. So guys, this was it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions concerning to this tutorial, you are free to ask them in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our videos. See you soon!